May profits be upon you. Hey, hey, hey. We're going to take a look at USD Swiss franc. All right, US dollar, Swiss franc. What am I? I am crazy. I am bearish. I am bearish on the Swiss. All right, on the Swiss franc. I'm going to show you why. Let's look at Swiss franc futures. Where is it at? Is this it? No, that's not it. There you go, right there, right? Is this it? Come on, man. I just need an answer. Thank you. All right. This is why. Look at the monthly. 2 months of very momentum-filled candles. 2 months. All right. Now we got 17 days. We're only halfway through. But look at it. Look at it. We've almost equaled the length of the previous candle, which is a total full month, right? And we've broken through some very gnarly support here, right? This was a demand zone, and we just fired right through it, right? This was a very valid demand zone because it broke highs, it broke structure, and we just crashed through it, all right? What do you think this was? Another demand zone. Who's in control here? Supply, all right? Supply is in control, sellers are in control. I'm very bearish on the Swiss, all right? The US dollar is the exact opposite. Now let's go back. I know. Come on, man. Don't embarrass me. All right. So I am US dollar long. I'm bullish on the US dollar, and I am bearish on the Swiss. So we're looking bullish here. However, look, this looks like a bearish setup, doesn't it? All right. Price impulsing. We're waiting on a correction, right? We're waiting for that correction to come. Where could that correction come? Well, this is the monthly. Let's take a look on the weekly, and I'll show you something. All right. See this area here? This is where price had a precipitous drop, never coming back up there, right? This was a supply zone that we just violated. All right. We violated the tops here, taking out this liquidity. This is a major, that's why I got major breakout. This was it took the liquidity here, but this high was from 2019, a multi-year high. Very important to note, that we broke through a supply zone. All right, who's in control? Demand is in control. There is no doubt about that. There was demand zones here and here, and we just crashed right through it, punctured right through it. Everybody get it, right? That's why that X is there. Broke that supply. So I'm on watch right now for a bearish price action, a shift in the market from bullish to bearish momentum. I'm looking out for it right now when we come up in the areas like this. All right, where could price start to roll over and come back down? When? Where? Hard to see. All right. I like this little area here. Hold on. I'm trying to get in close here. All right. I like this little zone here, this wick zone here, but I don't see that as a reliable as a reliable zone of supply. This area here is the zone of supply. Just take a look at on the monthly, and you'll see. I can't get this thing to act right at all, man. What is going on? Why am I? Okay. All right. So you see how price did my high, pull back, higher high, pull back low, that breaks the pullback low, and then a return to impulse, and then down. See it there? I'm not crazy, okay? I'm not just picking these things out of the blue. I don't understand why this thing is acting this way. Like, it might be me. It might be me, but I think I'm doing something right, and it's just acting wrong, man. All right. Anyway, but you get the point. So I was expecting price to react to the right shoulder here. This is a nice uh, head and shoulders uh, candlestick pattern here, but I was expecting that price would come up here and we could take a nice short from there. That's not what happened, folks. It broke through. So we're in the origin now. We're mitigating the origin of this bearish impulse. Okay, so you can draw a monthly zone. I don't usually draw out monthly zone. Yeah, it's just they're too big. They're just too big. So I'll go to the weekly and we'll refine it. Right. All right. All this buying here before the sell-off, this is your zone. All right. That range. All right. We're already mitigated up in there, all up in there. All right. So now we can start to refine, and I would refine it up here. All right. You see the price action here. Last bullish candle, then we get a pullback, we break that high, and then we fall. Price doesn't come back up here. This is the unmitigated portion of this supply zone and the range of it. This is the unmitigated portion of it up here. So I like that. I like it up here. I'll use that low here. And I'm thinking that price is going to reach up and grab it. I don't think this zone of supply is enough to send price back down the other way. I think we're going to mitigate this unmitigated zone, all right, the untapped zone, and then come on down. There is what could be seen as a bearish breaker up in there. I said up in there, right? See that wick, that is a strong wick, and you see price has just missed tapping it, but when it does tap, I believe we're going to get a reaction from it. All right, my computer is starting to go off a little bit right now. It's acting a little cagey. Anyway, so I'm going to blow this up, and we're on the 4 hour. If I can just get it, just to finish this video, please. Stop embarrassing me. All right. We're getting stuck. I don't know what's going on. I apologize. It hasn't eaten yet. Let me see if I can get this thing right. Hold on a second. Hey, I think we're all right. Let's see. So on the close-up of this area, yeah, it's still acting up. All right. This is the major breakout. All right. Those multi-year highs, right? We broke out. We have a little pullback here. Price did not quite break that high on Thursday, Friday. We got a close of an inside candle. Price may want to come down, take out this imbalance here. All right. And maybe test. All right, maybe test, mitigate this zone here, the zone of demand, and then take out the relative equal highs it left behind here. All right, I'm going to mark those because those are important. Those are a very good looking draw of price. It'll draw price up. All right, and maybe we finally make it up to the unmitigated zone here. But you can see clearly the strong bullish action, the higher highs and higher lows all the way up, right? That's all we want to see. There's a lot of strength in this this trend. So I'm looking for price to go higher. Okay, maybe we get a pullback because this is an inside candle. We have a little rejection here on this doji. All right, maybe we get a pullback, take this low, and then we can take it up from here. Or price may want to just start shooting up from here, taking out these relative equal highs. Look out for both, but I am looking for buys. All right, I'm looking for buys. What would make me look for sells? I need to see this low broken. All right. That's a structure. That's a structural point for me. We break that low, and then I'm waiting for the pullback into the for the return to impulse, because that would be a high's already taken out, a pullback, a higher high, an impulse that breaks the low, and then I would be looking for a high probability confirmation trade to take it lower. Until I see that, I'm not looking for anything in the way of sells. I'm looking for buys. Okay, so let's see how this thing shakes out. Look for your, I'm going to be looking for buys in this zone. All right, I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool here, and this is the zone. This is a great area to be looking for price to turn around after the 50% mark, right? This is premium, this is discount. We want discount prices in order to take longs. I'm waiting for price to come on down here. All right, maybe I can extend this way. Maybe I can extend that way. Okay, I don't think I'm asking for much, right? What do you think? Anyway, that's what we're looking for. Hey, tap that like button for me. All right, hit the like button for me. All right, help this channel to grow. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you catch the updates, and do leave a comment, because I like to interact with my subscribers. I like to interact with my viewers. If you got questions or you got comments, concerns, hey, I'm your guy. Ask. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.